Hi, my name is David Welk, and I want to tell you about my 2018 summer internship experience. So this summer, I worked with a company called Downham Custom Homes here in Lafayette, Indiana, and we are a custom house builder. So people come to us with housing plans, and we build their houses like this. They are fancy houses, expensive houses, not necessarily large, but in the end very ornate, very decorative, and usually better looking than most houses, if I do say so myself. So this is the project that I worked on the entire summer. We called it the Maya Residence. It's a single-story house, fully finished basement, large windows that look out the back over a golf course. So those are some of the features in this house. As you can see, open concept design. So these are some of the project specs. Here's the fully finished basement. You can see there is a bar area with an office and a fully finished bathroom in the basement. And a first floor plan, as you can see, with large windows at the top of the screen looking out over that golf course, along with a massive porch on the back of the house. So I want to tell you a bit about what our process is. It's the same process that most people use, but we put a little bit more time and care into making sure everything is perfect for our clients. After we frame the basement, we lay the joists on top, put down subfloor to add stability and what we build everything else on. Then we frame the first floor walls. We put on exterior sheathing on those walls. This adds rigidity to the house and makes it stand in storms a whole lot easier. At this point, we don't need to worry too much about the house falling over now that the sheathing is on. Once the sheathing is on, we put on roof trusses, which are one of the last major structural elements that we frame. Once the trusses are on, we sheathe the roof now with 5/8 inch plywood and put tar paper over top of it. At this point, the roofers can come in, the electricians can come in, and the plumbers can come in. So the house is pretty much all framed in. There's a little bit of trim work that we need to do on the outside. We need to put windows in, obviously. But this is the bulk of what we do. Okay, so after all that, I want to tell you what I learned during my time with Downham. First thing I learned was good project management is key to successful completion. I saw what happened when our project manager didn't get materials there on time. And I saw what happened when they went on vacation without getting work done. It just slows the whole process down, and ultimately it did not help when materials didn't show up and we didn't get work done, because it slowed the whole process down. But I also saw what happened when you treated your subcontractors with respect and helped them get their job done, and that helps the project. So a good project manager will always make the job better. My greatest triumph is what I would call independence. The time period where I moved from having to be told what to be done to automatically going and doing it myself is what I would call my greatest triumph. Instead of my boss telling me, hey, you need to do this, this, and this, and instead me going and seeing it and needing it to be done and getting it done, that's what I would call my greatest triumph. And then the next lesson that I learned was to ask questions. Asking questions is key to getting things done, not only quickly, but also correctly. I once built a wall upside down because I didn't ask questions, because I thought I knew what I was doing, but obviously I didn't, and that ended up taking more time and costing the company more money because I didn't ask questions and I thought I knew what I was doing. So always ask questions. Finally, I learned that there's two different ways to do things on a construction site. There's the engineering way, and then there's the trades way, the one that most people on the job site know. You can do it the calculator way, the scientific way, or you can do it the way that the tradespeople know, with Speed Square and the tools in their hands, and usually their way is faster than a math science-y view. So this is what I've learned over the summer. I appreciate you taking your time to listen to me. Here's my works cited. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.